So hey guys, what's up? This is my first video tutorial, and today I'm gonna demonstrate or show you how to solve a derivatives equation and antiderivative equation, or what we call as integrals. So first, we must find a problem. So here are first problem, which is our first equation, which is y is equals to x minus 1 squared over x squared plus 1, which is a sample of a derivative equation. And our second equation is integral 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx raised from 3 to 4, which is a integral or a sample of integral equation. So now let's solve these two kinds of equations.
So the first equation that we will going to solve is a derivative equation, which is y is equals to x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 over x squared plus 1. So in solving this equation, we will going to apply the derivative rule number 7, which is d over dx of u over v is equals to v derivative of u over dx minus u derivative of v over dx over v squared. So now we will going to apply this rule to our equation. So it equates to x squared plus 1, which our v multiplied by the derivative of u, which is 2 x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 1 subtracted by the u, which is equivalent to x minus 1 squared multiplied by the derivative of v, which is 2x plus 0 over x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So in getting the derivative of u and the derivative of v, we will just going to apply or use the derivative of or the derivative rule number 5, which is d over dx of u raised to the power of n is equals to n u raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by derivative of u over dx. So after that, we will going now to proceed wherein we were going to simplify first the terms inside the parentheses. So it equates to x squared plus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 2 subtracted by x squared minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x over x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 2x cubed minus 2x plus 2x squared minus 2 subtracted by 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x over x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So at this juncture, we will going to distribute this negative sign to the whole term or inside the terms in the parentheses. So it equates to 2x cubed minus 2x plus 2x squared minus 2 minus 2x cubed positive 4x squared minus 2x over x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So now we will going to simplify these whole terms by combining the terms that are alike. So it equates to 6x squared minus 4x over x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 2. Since this term cannot be simplified, we can conclude that this term is our final answer. So the next equation we will going to solve is an integral equation, which is integral of 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx raised from 3 to 4. So in solving this equation, we will going to use or apply the integral rule number 2, which is integral of a du is equals to a integral of du, and the integral rule number 3, which is integral of du plus positive negative dv is equals to integral of du positive negative integral of dv. So now we will going to use or apply these two rules in our equation. So now we have z equals to 4 integral of x squared dx raised from 3 to 4 minus 2 integral of x dx raised from 3 to 4 plus 1 integral of dx raised from 3 to 4. So after this, we will use now the integral rule number 4, which is integral of u raised to the power of n du is equals to u raised to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So it goes like this, is equals to 4 integral of x, which is raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 raised from 3 to 4 minus 2 integral of x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 raised from 3 to 4 plus 1 integral of dx raised from 3 to 4. So now we will going to simplify these whole terms, which is it is equals to 4x cubed over 3 raised from 3 to 4 minus 2 x squared over 2 raised the power from 3 to 4 plus 1 x raised from 3 to 4. So in this term, we can cancel these two, which it would make like this. So it would remain x squared. At this juncture, we will going now to apply the definite integral standard equation, which is integral of f of x dx raised from a to b is equals to f of b minus f of a is equals to f of x raised from a to b. So guys, this is the formula or the standard equation of the definite integral. So now we will going to apply this formula to our equation. So it will goes like this: 4 multiplied by 4, which is our b raised to the power of 3 over 3, minus 4 multiplied by 3, which is our a to the power of 3 over 3, minus 4 raised to the power of 2, minus 3 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 multiplied by 4, minus 1 multiplied by 3. So now we will just going to simplify first the terms inside the parentheses. So now it is equals to 256 minus 3 minus 108 over 3 minus 16 minus 9 plus 4 minus 3. Then 256 minus 108 over 3 minus 7 plus 1 is equals to 148 over 3 minus 7 plus 1. And now we're done simplifying the terms inside the parentheses. So the only thing we're gonna do is just to simplify these whole terms. It equates to 148 over 3 minus 6 equals to 148 minus 18 over 3 is equals to 130 over 3, or 4.33. So now here's our final answer, since it is the simplest form.
So guys, we're done solving our two equations. So I hope you learned a lot of things in my video tutorial, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video.